Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this wireless charger, which is also a phone stand for magnetic cases and all sorts of phones. It's good for iPhone, it's good for Android, it's good for any phone that has like a capability of wireless charging with a magnetic case, and it's really good for that. I want to open the box and show you what's inside of the box and for sure how to use it. But the bottom line is that this is a really good one for like on-the-go situations. You can actually take it with you on the go. It's super lightweight, so you can actually snap it to your phone case, your magnetic phone case, and charge it on the go with a 10,000 milliamperes in fast charge capabilities. Let me actually open the box and show it to you and how it works. So out of the box, you're gonna find the instruction manual, which is super easy to follow, as you can see right here. It's really straightforward. And also you're gonna find the USB-C cable, which is really good to have that included. This is a short one. And then you're gonna find right here, this is the actual magnetic charger. As you can see, has the drawing for the magnetic MagSafe case or magnetic cases. It has a button right here to turn it on, and you can see how much battery it has left. It comes with a USB port, USB 8 port right here, and a USB-C. And this thing has 10,000 milliamperes capabilities and 18 watts of PD fast charging. So that's actually really good. And the way this works, and by the way, this is a dummy phone. This is not a real phone. My phone is right here filming this, but I tried it before. This is actually my new on-the-go charger. Works really good. And this is the thing. You have the magnetic case. You just snap it right there, and that's it. That's everything you need to do. This is a really strong one. As you can see, you can actually shake your phone and things like that, it won't fall. But the best thing about this one is that right here you're gonna find the watch charger, which I'm gonna show you in a few seconds, and then you're gonna find the stand as well. So right here you can actually use it as kind of like if you want to keep scrolling or something like that. If you're having lunch or you're in your lunch hour at work or something like that, you can do it. But the best thing about this is you can actually support right here. You're gonna see that if you snap it correctly, it's gonna support landscape too, so you can actually watch your favorite TV show, your videos, your movies, or something like that. So then you can actually put your watch here, and you're gonna see that it's gonna start charging right away. As you can see right here, just turn it on and it's charging. I'm gonna try to see if I can get it a little bit closer to you. So this is how it's gonna work. Again, you put your watch right here on this stand and it starts charging right away. This is a really good device. Again, it's really good for on-the-go situations, and for sure something super lightweight that you can put on your purse, you can put it on your backpack, you can put it any place to have something really quick for you to charge your devices, charge your phone, your watch, and for sure also use these ports right here with a 10,000 milliamperes and 18 watts PD capabilities. I like it. Super nice to have this one. Super compact and lightweight for on-the-go situations. I like it. I do recommend it. Thumbs up for sure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.